guys, welcome to Co Academy. Guys, in this video we'll be talking about the difference between traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. Remember that IRAs, that is individual retirement accounts, they are different from 401k plans, in that 401k plans are managed by the employers, and in those plans employer also contributes a certain amount, and that amount is called a matching contribution. Whereas traditional IRAs, in these IRAs individuals maintain their own pension accounts. Now, how do individuals maintain these pension accounts? Well, they can open an IRA account with the bank, and bank IRAs usually invest in certificate of deposits and saving certificates, or an individual can go to a broker and open an IRA account. With brokers, of course, people have more choice. For example, they offer stocks and bonds, so upside potential is more with broker operated IRAs. But of course, with bank IRAs, there is more security. Now, of course, you can also tell the brokers that what stocks you want to invest in, but if you are not savvy about which stocks you prefer, and you don't have any information or much information about the stocks, then you leave it to the brokers. Now, of course, once you have chosen that you will open an IRA account, there are two choices. You can either go for a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. With traditional IRA, you get a tax break now. And now, what do I mean by this is that with a traditional IRA, when you contribute your earnings to the IRA, you actually contribute your earnings before tax is deducted from your income. Now, this means that when you deduct this IRA amount from your income, less tax has to be paid in the current year. But when you withdraw your amount from the IRA account, then you have to pay taxes on those withdrawals. Whereas in Roth IRAs, when you deposit your earnings in the IRA, basically you deposit them after tax earnings. So you have an income, you pay the tax on it, and from the remainder of income, you contribute it to the Roth IRA. Of course, when you withdraw the amount from your Roth IRA, you don't pay any taxes. So what is beneficial for what taxpayers? Traditional IRAs are more beneficial for those people who are earning quite enough money presently. So if somebody is earning good money and their tax bill is very high, they can opt for traditional IRAs because it will be tax deductible. That is, it will reduce your tax liabilities. But if somebody says that okay, they are not earning much as of now, and probably their retirement income is also not going to be very high, so they will opt for Roth IRAs, because as of now they are not earning that much, so they will not get much tax benefit even if they deduct Roth IRA expenses from their income. So what will happen is that their income will grow, their Roth IRA balance will grow, and they will withdraw the balance, and they don't have to pay any taxes. Whereas those who as opposed to this, those who opt for traditional IRA, they get tax savings now, but when they withdraw their money, they will not only have to pay the tax on the money invested, but also on the income generated, that is on the interest and capital gains tax. They will have to pay taxes on all the accumulated balance. So there is a trade-off. If you opt traditional IRA, you get tax savings now, but when you withdraw the amount, you have to pay the taxes on the amount invested and any increase in the value of that balance. So there's a trade-off. I hope you learned something from this video, and thanks for watching, and do subscribe to the channel.